I'm just, this really isn't a step-by-step tutorial. This is just a quick overview. Putting the cat back, MBRP cat back on my 5.0 here. These are the clamps that go from the cat back up to the pipes from the catalytics there. All right, those are 15 millimeter. I use my snap-on cordless impact, you know, with the 15 millimeter, just pulls those off pretty quickly. Everything else is a 13 millimeter. So you got these hangers that are up by the differential up there. And you've got these hangers, which are by the rear subframe up here. And that's what holds the whole exhaust, okay? So clamps here with the 15 millimeters. The two hangers, which just kind of hook in by the differential there. So even when you take the bolts out, you know, they won't drop. You have to unhook them. And then the rear hangers here, which are the also 13 millimeter back by the back bumper. Bam. Got the car on jack stands, you know, just probably 15 minutes, I'd say it took to get the cat back off. So now we'll put the MBRP on. Did the black MBRP Race black kit. So it takes the, you know, the resonator muffler here, gets rid of that with a 3-inch pipe here, and then their race mufflers. So same kit that I had on my 2016. It's a great cat back, so I wanted to put it on this one. I'll update you when I get the new one on. Okay, the exhaust is hung, but nothing's tight. I just wanted to show something that a lot of people get wrong a lot. The front clamps up there, they're on but loose. You want pretty much full engagement. You want this H-pipe here slid forward so that there's no leak there. Then you got two joints in the pipes right here. All right, those are slip joints with the clamp. And here are the hangers I told you about, differential and subframe, both sides, okay? Now here's what I'm getting at. Watch this. You got adjustment up there, you got adjustment right here, and then you have adjustment on the hangers and on the subframe. Right now, how I've got it kind of roughed in, pretty freaking close. You see how the pipe looks in the bumper? Same here. You can actually adjust all of those. I mean, those junctions with the clamps up front and the clamps in the back, also the hangers. You can make adjustments in those places to position the pipes front, back, left, right, up, down. You know, you want the tips to be positioned nicely in the bumper cover. So anyway, that if you are installing a cat back like this, or if you buy a car that already has one and the tips aren't centered, that's what you're adjusting. Just, you know, where the clamps are and where the hangers are, you're adjusting all that to position the tailpipes so that they look right. So we'll cut away. I'll finish this up and we'll see how close I can get them. Okay, the system's on. Got the tailpipes pretty centered. I'm happy with how that worked out. Go ahead and plan to spend a decent amount of time on those Allen screws on the tips. They're 5/16 inch or 8 millimeter. And just gonna spend a little bit of time lining up the tips. You know, you can go in or out, left, right, up, down. You know, you're gonna spend a little bit of time getting it just right, but it's worth it. All done. I'm gonna say it was probably just over an hour working by myself, hand tools, jack stands. Definitely the kind of job that anybody could do. Sounds pretty good. I mean, I knew it would sound pretty good because I had this system on my old car, but yeah, I like it. MBRP Race.